All right. Properties of limits are easy peasy lemon squeezy right here. Go ahead and pause the video, look at it, read it, and then we'll do some problems with it. Now, whenever we are doing these problems right here, we do want to make sure that we are using correct limit notation to solve these problems right here. So here, I can't just say that the limit as x approaches c of 4 times f of x is 4 times 3 halves yet, because this right here is 3 halves, not this. So what I want to do is probably take out the 4. So I have 4 times the limit as x approaches c of f of x. And using substitution, I know that this is 3 halves. So now I have 4 times 3 halves, which is going to give me 6. Likewise, here, I can't just say that 3 halves times 1 half is 3 fourths. I got to use my proper limit notation. So the limit as x approaches c of f of x times the limit as x approaches c of g of x based off of my product. And here's my scalar. So based off of that, using substitution, this is 3 halves, this is 1 half, this is 3 fourths. Now, the reason why I want to make sure that you know this limit notation, using it properly, is so that I'm preparing you for the AP exam. Now, on the MCQ, do you have to technically use proper notation? No, but it is helpful because then you'll be prepared for the FRQs. Summer difference, I know that I have 3 halves plus 1 half. That's going to give me 2. And then using quotient right here, I have the limit as x approaches c of f of x over the limit as x approaches c of g of x. That's going to give me 3 halves over 1 half, which is going to give me 3. And that was just me using limit laws algebraically with 2 limits that were given to us. Now we are going to use limit laws using graphs. Same process, same thing. So here I'm going to go ahead and take out the 2 and then go ahead and write my limit notation. And then figure out what my limits are. So I have the limit as x approaches 3 from both the left and the right side of f of x, which is this blue thing right here. That's going to give me 0. And then here, this is going to give me -2. So now I have 2 times -2 or -4. Most of these are self-explanatory, so I'm not going to really do them. But I am going to do this one right here, where I have the limit as x approaches 3 of h of f of x. This is a composite function, and we'll learn more about this in the next couple of days. But here, I'm going to take the limits of the inside function first. So the limit as x approaches 3 of f of x, and that's going to give me 0 right here. So then I'm going to use that to help me with this right here. So now I have the limit as x approaches 0 of h of x. And this right here is going to give me +2 right here. Obviously, you could do the other 4, but here's the answers. That there's an index right here. All right, in the next lesson, we'll talk about continuity and discuss when a function is continuous versus not continuous.